Want to learn how to get back reels on your profile grid on an Instagram? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn how to get back reels on your profile grid on an Instagram. For that, make sure to get logged into your own account, just like me. Now, tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner, and then what you can do is you need to tap on this video icon at the side of the profile grid, and you can see that I do have one of our reels that is probably hidden, that is completely hidden. So what you need to do is tap on this video and then tap on the dotted straight lines here on the right corner. Just by doing it, you'll get an option of manage. Tap on manage option. As you do it, you'll get an option of add to profile grid. Tap on add to profile grid, and just by doing it, you can see that this video has been added to profile grid. You can go back to your profile icon on the bottom right corner once again, and then tap on this profile grid icon at the side of the video icon, and then you will see that you have successfully added this video to your profile grid on an Instagram. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video.